natural hair loss treatment at home. Hello everyone, welcome to your life care. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, hair loss. Whether you're dealing with a few extra strands in the shower or noticing thinning areas, we've got you covered with some effective home remedies and tips to help combat hair loss naturally. Understanding hair loss. Before we jump into the remedies, let's understand what causes hair loss. Factors like genetics, hormonal changes, stress, poor diet, and certain medical conditions can contribute. Remember, it's important to consult a healthcare professional if you're experiencing severe hair loss. Balanced diet and hydration. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for healthy hair. Focus on foods high in biotin, vitamin E, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your hairs hydrated, promoting healthy hair growth. Hair massage and essential oils. A regular hair massage can stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles. You can also incorporate essential oils like rosemary, lavender, and peppermint. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and gently massage your hairs for a few minutes. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a wonderful natural remedy. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp. It contains enzymes that promote hair growth and a healthy scalp. Onion juice. Onion juice might sound unusual, but it's rich in sulfur, which can improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Blend an onion, strain the juice, and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Egg mask. Eggs are packed with protein, which is essential for hair growth. Create an egg mask by mixing an egg with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Herbal rinses. Herbal rinses like green tea, nettle, and chamomile can help strengthen hair and improve its appearance. Brew the herbs, let them cool, and use the rinse as a final hair wash. Stress management. Stress can contribute to hair loss, so it's important to manage it. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to reduce stress levels. Remember, natural remedies take time to show results, so be patient and consistent with your efforts. Incorporate these practices into your routine and observe the positive changes in your hair health. If you find that your hair loss is persistent, consulting a healthcare professional is always a good idea. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to your life care for more health and wellness content.